Hey, anybody out there looking to buy a laptop? I got a great laptop here. Hey, listen, don't let the exterior fool you. It looks old, it looks raggedy, but inside you have no idea what it consists of, man. It's got great RAM, it's up-to-date apps, it's got storage galore, it's fantastic. You know, I think I bought this about 8 years ago. It's great. Don't be fooled. That's called puffing. I'm exaggerating. I'm making it sound great. I'm not lying to you. It's got good RAM in here. It's got good storage. It's got good everything. Everything works fine. It's not broken. Sure, it looks a little shabby, but it still works. Puffing. Just like real estate. Puffing exists. Is it illegal? No, because we're really not telling a lie. Again, we're getting close to a lie, but we're not quite lying. We're actually over-exaggerating. We're over-exaggerating to a damn. We're almost touching the door of being fraudulent. And we don't want to do that. Puffing is no bueno amigo. You got to be careful when it comes to puffing in real estate. Now, a lot of agents will go ahead and take pictures of their listings and post them online and have some remarks that are unbelievable. Huge living room, beautiful backyard, refreshing pool, the works. And then the buyer shows up to preview it and there's no such thing. I mean, sure, it's there. The pool is there, but it's not refreshing. It looks a little dirty. The huge living room isn't as huge as the buyer would have thought it was. I was expecting a lot more. When it comes to puffing, it's a matter of opinion. So the best thing to do for a buyer or for an agent who wants to preview property for a buyer is to go see it for themselves. Allow themselves to create their own opinion on an object, on a subject, on a house. You got it? So puffing. What is puffing? In general, it's over-exaggerating a product. So is over-exaggerating okay? Well, it's not lying, right? So the best thing to do when it comes to your client, when it comes to a buyer, is to go check it out yourself. Allow yourself to say, yes, this is huge. The pool table will fit in this room. Yes, this backyard will do. That pool looks refreshing and clean and up to date when it comes to its filter system, right? Don't allow somebody else's puffing affect your buyer's purchase ability, their decision. Let me give you an example of what actually happened to me. Now, my wife and I were looking for a condo to purchase near the beach. I just love the beach. Who doesn't love the beach? I was born and raised near the beach, so it's part of my DNA, man. So we found this listing. We decided to go take a look at it after reading the description. Now, the description read that you have a balcony with a great ocean view. Whoa! Now, what was I expecting? An ocean view, right? I was already planning it. I saw it in my head. I was going to have myself a nice, cold, refreshing drink of my choice, go out to my balcony at sunset, have a sip of my cold, refreshing drink of my choice, look at the ocean, watch the sunset. Whoa, I was all for it. So we excitingly show up to the listing. We go out to the balcony. I said, where's the ocean view? And of course, again, I'm expecting to see, whoa, here it is right in front of me. And the agent there says, no, sir, you'll have to lean over, look beyond the barrier here that was blocking the view, and you'll get a nice glimpse of it right over there. I was expecting this, and I got this. Not cool. I was puffed. The agent was puffing this listing. Not nice. You got it? Now, he wasn't lying. The problem with this is I had to have one arm up, one leg out at a certain hour of the day in order for me to see my ocean view. Not cool. So remind yourself of that. When it comes to puffing, no bueno, amigo. Not nice. Tell the truth. Be straightforward. Allow the buyer to make their own decision. Be honest. In fact, you know what? Speaking of truth and being honest, take a look at this video right here. It's on agency and how fiduciary duties is so important when it comes to listing property. We'll see you next week.